Hello guys, my name is Kishore. Today this vlog is about talking to people. So today I have to talk to people, and now we are going to ground, and I will ask questions to people, and they may be many people, so I have to ask questions. So my Star City bike, so I am going by this bike. So right now I have just come here, but there is no one, and I want to talk to him, but now I have to go from here, and I am looking for that person that who can speak English with me. So let's come, and I just reached here. So it is Giri Goenka Park. So now you can see that boys are playing here. So I have to talk to them because I don't know they are interested or not, but I have to discuss. And so let's come. Okay, bro, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so what's your name?
My name is Mukesh Mittal.
Mukesh Mittal. Okay, so from where did you come here?
ये करण विहार.
Okay, you came from Karan Vihar. So are you feeling nervous?
नहीं.
Okay, you are not feeling nervous. So are you student? What do you do?
I'm in 12th class.
Okay, you are studying 12th class. So right now you have passed your 12th class, and you have done your 10th class, and you have done your 11th class.
I am done my 11th class.
Okay.
I am progress my 12th.
Okay, in which school are you studying?
PSM Senior Secondary School.
Okay, where is it?
इधर करण विहार में ही है.
Okay. So do you speak English every day?
नहीं.
You don't speak. So do you want to learn English?
कभी कभी.
Okay, do you want to learn English? क्या आप अंग्रेजी सीखना चाहते हो?
हाँ.
Okay, so have you ever learned English from somewhere? You haven't. Do you want to join any institute of English? Okay, so what's your dream?
CA.
Okay, you want to become a CA, so it's good. So what we do to become CA?
I am give my
No problem. Don't take tension and don't feel agitation. Okay, so boys, come here. So and now I have to ask, what's your name?
मोहित.
Mohit. How old are you?
मतलब
कितने साल के हो?
13 साल.
So do you study? Do you go to school?
गवर्नमेंट.
Okay, you go to school. Okay. So in which class do you study?
7th 8th.
Okay, you study in 8th class. Okay, so what's your hobby?
हॉबी क्या?
नहीं बैटिंग हो जाए.
Okay, guys, if I want to play cricket, listen to me, boys. If I want to play cricket with you, so can I play cricket with you?
Yes.
Okay, it's raining here. So how are you feeling? Whether you do want to speak something about what weather? Because how is weather?
Weather is very sunny and
Okay. Okay, you are feeling because there is neither cool nor hot, so you are feeling good. Okay, guys, now I have talked to these students, these boys, so it is good because I think we should speak English whenever we get chance to speak English. So we should speak English more and feeling good because I am standing here, and it is park, and now we can call that it is ground. So many boys come here to play cricket, and it is good to play cricket. It's good ground. So I have to ask questions I have just come here to ask questions. So there is a boy, and I think there are so many boys, and there is a boy, and he is running here. So first of all I have to ask him question. Okay, so I have come to him, so I have to ask question, and now he is taking exercise, so I have to ask some questions. Okay, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, right now what are you doing?
I'm doing exercise
You are taking exercise. So why are you taking exercise?
because I want to give time of our exercise.
Okay. So now you are taking exercise. So how long have you been taking exercise here?
I have taken exercise from 2 hours, like
For 2 hours. You have been taking exercise here for 2 hours. Okay. So right now I have just come here. Now you can see that if you want to take exercise here, you can take exercise. Please come. And there are some people, so I have to talk to them. Please come to me. children, they are taking exercise here, so they are making fun, so it's good. So I have to ask questions to these boys and girls. Girls here, girls, there is a girl, and there are two girls and boy also. What's your name? What's your name?
Ankit.
Ankit. So what do you do? What do you do? Are you study? Do you study or not? Okay, you study. In which class do you study?
6th.
Sixth class. Okay. Now I have to ask another. Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
fine.
What's your name?
Sitash Cash.
Sorry.
Sitash.
Okay. So what do you do?
I study and play in home.
Okay, you study. Okay. So
Sometimes I went to park also.
okay, you come here. So you are taking exercise. So you come here every day.
No.
You don't come. Okay, you came with your friends.
Yes.
Okay. So okay, they are making fun. You also I think you are also making fun.
Yes.
Yeah, it's good. Okay. So next, what's your name?
Shagun.
Oh, hello. So right now you're not taking exercise. Why not taking exercise? Oh no. Okay. So these girls are laughing. So I think there is water. So I can't go. So sorry. So girls, do you want to come here or not? Okay, please come. Now she is coming, and that girl also she is coming. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, what's your name?
I'm name is Prisha.
Okay, where do you live?
Delhi.
Okay, you are intelligent, and so what? In which class do you study?
I'm 5th class study.
Fifth class. In which school?
ITVP Public School.
Okay, where is it?
Dwarka.
He is a boy, and I have to ask questions. Now he is taking exercise. So let's ask questions. First of all, what's your name?
My name is Yash.
Yes. Where do you live?
I live at Janagar.
Okay. So what do you do?
I study.
Okay. In which class do you study?
I'm studying at 10th class
10th class. In which school?
in School of Excellence.
Okay. What do you want to become?
I want to join Indian Army
Okay. Why do you want to join Indian Army?
because I want to pursue for my country, as I think so that if I am doing any kind of work for my country, that will really be a very good thing for me.
Okay. What will you see after 5 years? What will you see yourself in after 5 years?
Think that I will see myself as an Indian soldier.
Okay. So it's your dream.
Yes, it's
So definitely, and best of luck. You will get success, and you will become, I think, a soldier. So thank you very much.